Hey guys, as usual, downloadable recipe available and short video to not waste your time. Why this recipe? These big thick cookies are for chocolate lovers. Super easy to make and we can enjoy them in two ways. So let's get right to it. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. You can leave butter out to soften or just microwave cold butter for 30 to 45 seconds. Prep the cookie sheets with cooking spray and parchment paper for easy release of cookies later. Now, except for the flour and chocolate chips, we add all ingredients in together. That's right. And beat for 1 minute. Flour and chips go in. I'm using 60% cocoa chips for a stronger, more depth of chocolate flavors, but you can use regular semi-sweet chocolate chips as well. Manually mixing a little bit to prevent flour from spattering. 30 seconds of beating is enough. To have big and thick cookies, I'd recommend using a large cookie scoop. Number 16, I believe. It holds about 1/4 cup. Of course, you can also roll by hand. Be sure to leave about 1.5 to 2 inches in between so they won't touch after expanding. Now this is based on my oven. 11 minutes of baking makes slightly underbaked cookies that is softer and moister, while 12 minutes is more technically done. So experiment for yourself. Some more cracks on the cookies indicate they are properly baked. Let's cool down for a few minutes before transferring to a wire wrap. And finally, there are two ways to eat these. First, about 5 to 10 minutes after coming out from the oven. Oh man, I enjoy it that way. Soft buttery cookies with melting chocolate chips. It's like heaven. But once cooled down completely, they are equally yummy in a different way. Trust me. Seriously, you have to decide and let me know when you enjoy them best. I hope you enjoyed the video and may I ask for your support on my small channel with like, comment, and share on your social media. Thanks so much and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.